everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily change the email address associated with your Apple ID if you no longer use it. In order to do that, simply open up your Safari or a web browser and in the search box, type in appleid.apple.com. Press go and scroll a bit down and tap on Sign In. Sign in to your Apple ID first by typing in your Apple ID in the text box and tap on the arrow pointing towards the right side, right next to your Apple ID. Enter your password for your Apple account in the next field. Now, tap the arrow in the password box again. Once you're logged in, you'll end up in the Sign In and Security page. Tap on the Apple ID option at the very top, and to change your Apple ID, type in the new Apple ID you'd like to change to. After you are done entering the new email address to use as your Apple ID, tap on Change Apple ID button at the bottom. Now, you'll need to verify your identity, so go ahead and enter your password for your Apple account. Finally, tap the Continue button and you'll be able to change your Apple ID right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.